Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is Chinese cabbage stir fry, called 手撕包菜, which is a highly ordered dish in Chinese restaurants. The hot summer weather is also suitable for eating vegetarian dishes. Let's get started. Tear a cabbage into pieces with your hands, which tastes better than cutting it with a knife. These cabbage slices are about 260 grams. 4 cloves garlic, chopped. 3 fresh red chili, chopped. 'Look at other seasonings. 3 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. Add oil to the wok. Then add sugar, chopped garlic, and chili chopped. Adding sugar before stir-frying the cabbage is the secret to the deliciousness of this dish. Then add the cabbage. Stir-fry over high heat until they are just wilted. Add light soy sauce and salt. Mix well. Then turn off the heat. Delicious Chinese cabbage stir-fry is ready. If you like today's recipe, give it a try and subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.